Hey guys, this is Don with Niche Press Platinum. I'm going to go over Niche Press Platinum User Interface version 3. We're going to start at the login screen where you can see we have our Twitter feed for our updates if we're doing any maintenance or upgrades or anything like that. We want to keep all you guys informed. We know that's really important when it comes to using a system such as this. So to start out with, we're going to log right in. And here's the main page to the back panel. Here you will see links on how to add your blog to Niche Press Platinum so you can benefit from having free content posted to your blogs. Also, there is some article spinning tutorials for those of you who are not that familiar with article spinning. And this will be updated from time to time with different offers or just even updates. So let's start with submitting an article. Okay, here is where you will submit an article. What we have are the article title, article body, article tags, keywords, and description you can all put in. Underneath each box is our spinner, so you can use this to spin your articles if you choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let me come up with a sentence for the title first. Okay, so say I want to rewrite a new title because I want to spin the words within two individual titles to increase my title possibilities. So I'm going to highlight this. Notice it appears at the bottom. So I'm going to visit the screen to the bottom. The cursor is behind the title and I'm going to push return. And now I'll write another title. As you will notice above, you will now have two titles spun within the syntax. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to spin the individual words within both of those titles to increase my variations. If I calculate possible titles now, I will get 2, which makes perfect sense. So let me double click on each individual word that I want to spin. Notice it comes to the box beneath. Click, enter, enter. Now I'll choose another word. Okay, I have spun the words I want to spin within that sentence. Now let me do the next sentence. Enter. I can even add a couple words. Okay, there you go. And let me do one more. Okay. I have nest spun these two sentences. Now when I click calculate possible titles, I get 18. So basically what this means is with your spun title and your spun article body, that this will be posted to 18 of our blogs. We want to keep all the content as unique as possible, so we do this to enhance your index rate with your articles and to protect the network itself. Notice it's the same way with article body. You can put your content up here and you can spin everything down here. Everything works the same, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get an article that I have saved to drafts. You notice we have a button that you can save articles down here. And let's go to article submitted. Then I'll go to my drafts and go to edit. And here's my article that I've saved to drafts. Now, we do allow full articles in our network as long as articles we call micro articles, which are 150 words or more article posts that act as maybe a news story or a blurb about your website, product, whatever you are intending to drive traffic and build backlinks to. So I have actually put a little micro article in here. And let me go down. I'm not going to put in my article tags, keywords, or description. You know, this is just to show you. And I can preview the article right here. And here's the little micro article right here. So now I will select a category from the network. And so since this is weight loss, let me put it in the fitness section, which is right here. Okay. And last but not least, a new feature we have added is we have actually added article drip feeding. You see the max post per day. I'm going to choose 25. I don't want no more than 25 blogs getting this post. It'll vary, so it will look natural, and this is for people who are primarily concerned about their link velocity. You can actually start your drip feeding 10 days from now if you choose to, up to 45 days. So that's a big option if you want to maybe submit 10 articles and all have them start on different days. And it might work for an effective campaign depending on how you use it. So now let me go to post article. And all this is doing when you're waiting, it's counting your links per words and all your variations. We allow one link for every 150 words, and that's all that's doing here. So here you see our final preview, so we can double check our links if you want to. And I know that's right. And if you want to proofread your article, and then I will click publish. And this, what you're waiting for now, is it's setting it up in the queue. It's picking all its blogs that it's going to go to, and this only takes a couple seconds. Now, when you return to the spinner screen, that means your article has been submitted. You can verify that by visiting the article submitted. And you will notice the top one right here is the one I just submitted. See the max posted per day at 25, and the progress, of course, is 0. You can see the articles that I have submitted and their progress. If I go to URLs on each one of these, you will see all the different permalinks that this post has been posted to. So if you want to backlink your articles to give you more link juice, we allow you. Or if you want to verify that your articles are getting posted, we allow you to do that as well, and that's why we offer this. You can actually download your articles to CSV file if you choose to. Maybe you got clients you're working for. We allow people to give reports. It's a better selling point for verifiable work. So I can go to article submitted. You can also, if you feel an article isn't doing what you wanted to, or you found you made mistakes, you can click the delete button, and I'm going to delete the one I just posted since I don't really want to post that now. Delete, and it's gone. So it'll actually pull all these articles out of the system if you choose to. Something we have added here at NPPV3HD2 Platinum is we have made it so you can submit blog comments. And the blog comments work exactly like the articles do. The more variations of comments you have, the more posts or blogs those comments will be distributed to. The cool thing about blog comments is you can actually choose which posts that your comments will be posted to, so it'll be totally targeted to your niche. Like I said, same thing with the spinner. Right up here, spin down there. You can submit the category to pull your articles from that you want to post your blog comments to, and it's pretty self-explanatory. They work on a credit basis. You can go and, of course, purchase more credits in your back office. With exception, you can always buy more credits, but the gold and the platinum NPPV3HD Platinum memberships come with monthly blog comment credits. In the comments comment submitted section, you can actually see where your comments have been posted. That is, if you want to backlink those sites as well, depending on what you really want to do with your campaign. And there is Russ asking me if I'm still here. If you go to my blog section, this is where you have instructions. You can add your blogs through here. You download a customized version of WordPress if you want all the subdomains that we create for our categories. That way you turn one domain into 40 for your blogs. That way you can increase your chances for your AdSense clicks or whatever ad program you use. And here, of course, we have instructions, text and video instructions. And if we go back to my blogs, this is the download link. You click on Add Blog, form pops down on the information we need, and you will go through all that once you go through those text tutorials. If you click on My Account, here you can change your password. You can see that you have unlimited post credits or comment credits for whichever membership level you have, and that's pretty much for that. Up here, you can click to upgrade if you choose to. You can actually own your own blog network that only you get to post to, that can be totally targeted. As say you're selling wedding dresses, and so you want to post all your articles to domains that actually have wedding dress in the title. This can be huge for SEO and credibility among your articles. So you can actually own your own blog network that only you post to. Last but not least, if I go back to the articles submitted section, down below you can pull the RSS feed for all your articles. If you want to submit that to maybe different RSSs to increase your backlinks to your articles as well. Of course, we have the support platform if you have any questions or concerns. And that is it. So let me go ahead and log out. Thanks for checking out NPP. And if you have any questions, I guess ask support. Thanks a lot.